This is Sonia from dillihaart. Today we are going to talk about how to take measurements for an Indian boy kid's dress. So typically these dresses are like either a kurta or just a kurta, or it has a kurta and a bottom called pajama, or it is either a small sherwani or the pant with it. So three important things that we need for these measurements is the shoulder, the chest line, and the length of the kurta. So let's start with that. We'll use our measuring tape. So in the measuring tape, what we are doing is to take the shoulder length, you look at where the sleeve starts, and then you put your measuring tape there, go all the way across where the other sleeve is, and then you measure that. Now this is in the case when you have an existing dress, an existing a boy's kurta that fits your child, and you can just take the measurements like that. All right, so the next one, chest line, look right underneath the armhole and go across and then measure that. So that's the chest line. So remember, for the chest line we have to double the measurement because we take the chest around. So if it's coming out to be 16, you double it, which is 32. So the chest would be 32. Then we take the length of the kurta, which starts from the top. You put your measuring tape there right at the top, go all the way down, and that's where you measure the length. So again, remember friends, this is when you have an existing kurta that fits your child. If you are measuring your child, then remember to measure the shoulder line, the chest, and then the full length of the kurta. So the other part is the bottom, the pant or the pajama we call as, right? So in that, one important aspect is the length of pajama. You measure that from where the belt starts to the bottom, and then the waist. Now the waist usually comes with a drawstring and it can be adjusted. So you can measure the waist one side if you're measuring an existing garment, and then you double it. Otherwise, if you're measuring your child, then you can measure around them and see what the waist is. So approximately that gives you the idea of what size will work when you are ordering online. So there are different sizes on the website. You can look at the size chart and say, hey, this is the chest, this is the length, and this works. One more thing to note, in the kurta pajama set, the full length, the part of the pajama kind of gets hidden because the kurta length is up to the knee. So if you're measuring the total height, the total length that you would need for your child, you go from top to bottom, but remember that the kurta would come up to the knee and only a little bit of the pajama portion would show. So whether it's a sherwani or a small kurta, these are some of the tips that you can use to measure the size of your kid's dress. So thank you for watching today. Appreciate your support. If you have any questions, do feel free to give us a call. Thank you.